Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the Element TV and grabbing the remote. Do this now. Once done, press Home or Menu to open settings, find the Display or Picture submenu. Make sure you note the current resolution and aspect ratio. This helps if you need to revert. If your TV runs on Android or Roku software, the menus differ slightly, but the path is settings right arrow Display or Picture. Now navigate to Picture Size, Display Resolution, or Screen Mode to begin changing the size. Next, select Display Resolution and choose the best setting for your TV panel, 720p, 1080p, or 4K. Pick what your source supports. Then change aspect ratio or screen size. 16, 9 for widescreen, 4, 3 for older content, or zoom/full to fill the panel. Use Auto Adjust when available to let the TV detect optimal scaling, or manually tweak pixel scaling and horizontal/vertical position. Make small changes and preview each one so you can judge cropping, overscan, and clarity before continuing. Finish by saving your changes, then test with different inputs, cable box, streaming app, game console, to confirm consistent size. If the image appears cropped or edges are missing, make sure overscan is off or revert to the previous resolution. That usually fixes it. If the menu disappears or settings act wrong, power cycle the TV, reconnect cables, and try again. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but record original values first so you can restore known good settings quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.